All right, last video for the night is about conditional formatting. So how do you set up your sheet to where this happens? Like they're yellow by default, and then when you check them, they're blue. You can get really complicated with this if you want to. It just depends on how picky you are. In my class, I still have them show up yellow, but sometimes my kids work in talk partners and sometimes they work in super groups. So I wanted to make sure that they could see and it was color coded who was working with whom. Um, so in this case, you would have to go section by section and affect the um, conditional formatting. But I tried to keep it pretty simple for the basic sheet. And what you would want to do is if you hit Command on a Mac or Control on a PC, what I did the first time was I highlighted all of these checkboxes and I set them all to be yellow. Okay, so I came in and after I inserted the checkbox, I came over here, I made them yellow. And then once I checked every single one of them so that they were all highlighted, I went Insert. Oh, maybe it's Insert. Nope, it's Format. And I went Format and went Conditional Formatting. Okay, so here is the conditional formatting that I have. And you can type yours in very similar to this if you want to adjust them all at one time. So I came in and I clicked on every single one of these. And so that's every cell that has conditional formatting to. So you would come down and go to Custom Formula Is, and then you would type this in. It's going to be the very first box up here on the top left. I don't know how it works, but if you type in the formula for the top left cell and all the other ones are highlighted too, it knows to do it for everything. But this is telling this custom formula, it says if C2 equals true, which means the box is checked, it's going to change the formatting for those selected cells. And I've got it custom down here. I came in and picked this blue color that matched the background. So if I wanted to, I could make it orange and hit done. And that means every time that I would check one of these, it would change it to that color. So I wanted to make sure I get it back here. And there we go. So if I wanted to change the basic color, I could do that too. You don't like blue and gold's their color, so that's the way I left it. But whenever you check it, the conditional formatting sees that it is checked, and then it will change it to match that color background. And I can adjust each of these however I'd like to. All right, that's conditional formatting in a nutshell. So if I were you, I would fix all of them up on one page however I wanted, and then I would just copy and paste because conditional formatting will paste too. So get them all set up how you want them, highlight it, copy it, and then paste it to the other sheets, and the conditional formatting should come with it. Let's check and make sure. Yeah, so if I wanted to, if I adjusted all of these and changed them around, I can highlight it and go Command C for copy. I can go to this next tab and I can go paste special and I can paste just the conditional formatting and it'll paste the conditional formatting settings from what you copied. And you can do it to each tab. A really quick and easy way to fix that. All right, hope this helps.